Two leading AI platforms battle it out, Writesonic versus Perplexity AI. Which one really delivers? On the left, Writesonic, the AI writing powerhouse for content creators. And on the right, Perplexity AI, the search engine that backs up every answer with citations. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the real differences. We're scoring each category, so you'll see exactly where each tool stands by the end. And the final winner for 2025 might surprise you. Before we jump in, let's take a peek at our mind map for today. We're comparing these tools across pricing, primary use case, content creation, research and accuracy, customization, multimodal features, speed and ease of use, and who each tool is actually best for. So grab a virtual seat and let's go category by category. Okay, first up is pricing. Writesonic gives you a bunch of tiers, so whether you're just dabbling or you're a full-on content machine, there's probably a plan for you. It's pretty affordable to start out, but honestly, if you're using it nonstop, the price could creep up. Now, switching gears to Perplexity AI. What's cool is there's a seriously generous free tier, but obviously you get way more with Pro, which lands somewhere around 20 to 30 bucks a month. With Pro, you're getting over 300 searches a day, which is kind of wild. The only bummer is the free plan's a little tight on queries. So yeah, for most users, it's kinda a tie here. The pricing is flexible and friendly, but there are catches for heavy hitters. All right, let's talk about what these tools actually do. Writesonic, it's basically your go-to for content generation. Blog posts, marketing stuff, SEO, you name it. Tons of options, super versatile, even long-form writing. But don't expect it to help with deep research. On the flip side, Perplexity AI is like your research assistant. It's awesome for fact-checking, academic writing, and digging up sources. It borrows from the real-time web, giving back citation-supported answers. But compared to Writesonic, it's not much of a storyteller. It doesn't really flex its creative writing muscles. All in all, primary use case, total tie. Each one's a boss in its own lane. Now, let's go deeper into content creation. Writesonic's a beast at this. Seriously, long-form pieces, dozens of templates, SEO-friendly writing, the works. You can get super creative with it. The only catch? Sometimes you've got to check those facts. Trust, but verify. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, is super solid for quick summaries and factual writing. It's more just the facts, sort of straight to the point, but not exactly Pulitzer-winning material. Short responses and not a lot of creative flair. The clear winner here? Writesonic, hands down. So if making awesome content is your jam, it's the way to go. Quick break for a fun fact. Did you know Perplexity AI cites a source for every single answer, which is awesome if you're all about accuracy? Meanwhile, Writesonic's more focused on spitting out creative content. Pretty neat, right? Switching over to research and accuracy, which honestly is where things get interesting. Writesonic can whip up content at lightning speed, but it doesn't give you citations. That means you've got to roll up your sleeves and double-check everything yourself. Perplexity AI? Oh, and here's something cool. Every answer comes with source citations. It pulls straight from the web, so you can actually see where info is coming from. Fewer hallucinations, more trust. Only real downside? Sometimes you're limited by how good the top search results are. But overall, Perplexity steals the spotlight for reliable, accurate info. Let's talk customization. Writesonic gives you so much control. Change up the tone, style, drop in detailed instructions, pick from different AI models, set up personas, all that good stuff. Super fun if you like to tweak your content. Flip side, Perplexity AI keeps things minimal. It's basically a Q&A interface. Lets you follow up with extra questions, but you can't really mess around with tone or how deep the responses go. So, if you're a customization nerd, Writesonic takes this category easily. Multimodal features? All right, get ready for this. Writesonic goes all out. Image generation, voice commands, support for tons of languages, and even a Chrome extension. Pretty wild, honestly. Perplexity AI is packing some features too. You can upload images and PDFs with Pro, and it tosses in some video suggestions. But if you want robust image gen, Writesonic is the one. With Perplexity, most features are locked behind the Pro wall, which is a bit of a bummer. So again, Writesonic comes out on top for the creative toolbox. How about speed and ease of use? Writesonic is fast, and the interface? Super easy to get around. But to really get those juicy results, you kind of need to dig into setup and tweak things. Now, Perplexity AI, man, it's super user-friendly. No prompt engineering drama. Just type your question, boom, answer. Could be a bit slow on the first response, but you get instant citations and quick follow-ups after that. All things considered, Perplexity edges out Writesonic on simplicity and speed. And lastly, who are these tools best for? Writesonic is tailor-made for marketers, content creators, the SEO crowd, and bloggers. Not really built for pure research, but if you want to pump out articles or marketing copy, it's a dream. Perplexity AI, though, is the scholar's best friend. Perfect for students, researchers, and fact-checkers. If creative content is what you need, though, look elsewhere. So both have their own crew, and honestly, another tie. All right, looking at the overall radar chart, you can see the strengths really pop. Writesonic dominates in content creation, customization, and multimodal flair, while Perplexity AI absolutely nails research, accuracy, and speed. Pricing and who it's best for, pretty close calls. So here's my honest take. If you're living in the world of drafting blog posts, cranking out marketing bits, or fine-tuning your SEO game, Writesonic is your go-to, no question. But if you need to trust your data, do research, or want answers you can actually cite, Perplexity AI is by far the better sidekick. They both shine in their own areas, so pick based on your top priorities. Honestly, why choose? Use Writesonic for laying out your creative content and Perplexity for backing it up with solid research. Each tool totally owns its lane, so it comes down to matching your workflow with the right AI help.